So we are doing internal test 2, which is our introduction to data science. So first we have data cleaning, which we have question when merging data sets with different measurements systems, ensuring dash between units is crucial. So answer is compatibility or consistency. In data clearing, in dash out stresses that analysis quality depends on input data, which is our garbage in and out. Dash are systematic problems introduced during the data cleaning process that can be corrected are artifacts. In irrecoverable information lost during acquisition, which is our power outage, is a bracket n, which will be outlier or anomaly. Replacing missing data with the mean of existing value is called dash imputation, which is our mean value imputation. Now we have data cleaning. Sixth question: filling missing value via linear regression or curve fitting is known as dash interpolation or regression imputation. Always preserve both the dash data and the cleaned dataset, raw or original. Converting John Smith or Smith John is an example of name dash standardization or normalization. Outliers detection is often used as a dash check sanity. Functions like Unicode help remove inconsistent characters during dash repair, encoding or repairing. Now we have machine learning concepts. Question 11. Transforming raw variables into more informative one is called feature engineering. Predicting a numeric value such as Sally is an example of regression. A model that fits training data perfectly but fails on new data suffers from overfitting, high variance. Dropout and weight penalties are examples of regularization methods. Training multiple diverse models to improve accuracy is known as ensemble learning. Now we have 16 question. A simple reference model for comparison is called a baseline model. Independent unchanging data samples are described as static or IIT data. Parameters turned before training are called hyperparameters. Comparing two versions statistically to see which performs better is testing A or B or hypothesis. Normalization typically rescales numeric features to the range of -1 to +1 or 0 to 1 range. Now we have the difference between train and test performance measures model, which is generalization. Bias sampling in data collection can cause bias. A model trained once and not updated further is a static model. A model that continually restrains with new data is a dynamic model. And the loss function measuring divergence between predicted and true probability is cross entropy. Now we have deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning. Neural networks are universal approximators of functions. A network with more than one hidden layer is termed as deep neural network (DNN). Each layer's output become the next layer's input. CNNs are mainly used for image classification. RNNs handle data with strong sequential dependencies. LSTM is an improved version of a recurrent neural network (RNN). In a GAN, the second model acts as a discriminator distinguishing real and fake data. Reusing a pre-trained model for a related task is called transfer learning. The wide part of a wide and deep model helps memorize specific examples. List R. The T part captures more high-level features. Linear classification combines input with weights and biases to form predictions. Activation function introduce non-linearity into neutral models. Adding neurons or hiding hidden layers increases model complexities. Transfer learning leverages generalized or pre-trained होते हैं. Now lists are ordered and mutable, meaning they can be changed. Tuples different from lists because they are immutable. Dictionaries store data as key value pair collections. Sets contains only unique elements, and a DQ allow fast operation at both ends. Counter is a subclass of dict that tells occurrences. A frozen set is a set that is immutable. The heap queue module implements a priority queue. In a max heap, each parent node's value is greater than or equal to than its child. Now converting a list into heap order is called heapify. So that's all. Thank you. End of the test set.